headed to Dubuque Thursday night. Decent sized track this year, not just an oval, we have a chicane over here. Yeah, should be good. Should be a fun weekend. It's pretty warm. It was like 45 down here today, which is pretty ridiculous. First thing I saw when I got here was a possum. Scouring for leftovers, I guess. Last weekend wasn't great, so hopefully this weekend will be better. Snow is crunchy and not a big base, so hopefully they can make some magic of it. Of course, they leave the tracks flat overnight so that the jumps don't harden and solidify and then get icy underneath, so they wait to make everything until the morning, all the obstacles, so should be good. They have piles of snow out where they're going to put the obstacles, and yeah, ready for more snowbike racing. Just getting ready for my freestyle career here, going to learn how to backflip this weekend. What do you think? Am I gonna do it?
And wasn't quite able to do what he wanted to do, but so far
with my shoes.
Exactly what he wants to do here in pro life this season. Bradley Chester had a pretty decent weekend of it.
Pretty small confines here in the van. Just gonna tighten the chain here. Got a brand new chain for this weekend. So of course it loosens.
Oh, another lap? Jesus. I'm losing it. My heart rate's at 116. Just watching the race.
Wow. Happy 9 o'clock train. Yesterday, today, I'm feeling a lot better this weekend than last weekend. Practice, I'm always slow to warm up in practice, and it's literally 3 laps, so kind of pointless. Just a good warm up, I guess. Qualifying, felt like I was going pretty good. Finally felt more like myself. Moto 1, there's kind of a pile up for 2 or 3 guys that I was able to capitalize on. Felt like I rode pretty good, pretty solid, finally getting the track dialed in. And then Moto 2, I actually got 9th in Moto 1, so I got to start in the front row, which was great. And then Moto 2, I don't know, kind of got cut off on the start and then just choked up and fell back and put myself towards the back, which is no better than if I started in the second row. But props to Snocross for improving the starting procedure for us this weekend compared to last weekend. yeah, overall feeling better. Morale is a bit better. And now I'm just gonna eat popcorn and think about that possum. See you tomorrow.